Good morning, everyone, or good afternoon, depending where you are. I am here at a very particular location in the greater Hawthorne area, very close to the Hawthorne Airport, or better yet, SpaceX and Unplugged Performance. And this is Bulletproof/Unplugged, which is known for madness of cars like this crazy dark helmet Tesla track car that you can see right there in front of us. But these chaps really started their excursion into high performance on the petrol side. So today is a day that they're embracing that, showing their capabilities here on everything electric and also petrol. Of course, I brought a petrol looking vehicle that's 100% EV, the Mobi is here with my nice interior. I've been getting a lot of questions about everything from my gorgeous door cards to the shifter on this electric beast. But let's take a look around, hang with me, let's take a look around and see what's going on in this wonderful facility. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask. This is a bit of a closed private event, and so I'm very honored to bring you a view of some of the amazing automotive specimens that are here on campus. Look at that gorgeous G-body. The twins from Oil Stain Lab brought a couple of gorgeous old school wide bodies as well. This one is just crazy looking. And next to it, I was very attracted to this 72 with the oh so rare oil door and 935 side mirrors. Just love this thing. And those are the twins over there chatting. My good friend James Johnson brought out his very nice GT3 997 with the BC motor treatment. Audi RS, another Bavarian vehicle, this time an M3, and this lovely blue Targa. But enough of what's going on in the lot. Let's go inside and take a look at what is in the facility. You may be aware of Arch Motorcycles. This is courtesy of that lovely actor, Keanu Reeves. This is his motorcycle company. He was going to try and make it here today, but unfortunately he got tied up and couldn't. That would be great to see him here. And here's a lovely British green Ducati. And I just love the look here in this waiting room. Quite nice indeed. So let's step into, I guess that's a no-go there. Let's step into the show area here. So one thing that the team told me is that they are now, or maybe for a while had been, Expel dealers. So if you need any PPF, they can do it here as well, especially for any clients who are in the South Bay. This lovely 48 is just absolutely gorgeous. One of 7, by the way, in this color combination. Another prancing horse. Here's where they do all the fun with their Expel stuff, which is quite nice. Very clean facility. I love it indeed. A Spider RS. A trio of prancing horses under this lovely skylight here. That's Ivy. He's one of the proprietors of this facility. Respect him very much. And he's in front of this lovely Ford GT. Another prancing horse. Some portable jacks. And this section is where they do a lot of the PPF and wraps. In here is where the magic happens. Here's the VF Engineering supercharged Raging Bull. This will be one of the first, if not the first, in the US 992 with full tech art setup. Here's some VF Engineering accoutrements. Panning over here is the Audi R8. Look at that full carbon fiber GTR. Full carbon fiber courtesy of the guys from Bulletproof. This is where they started and they continue to do wonderful things with that platform. Nice Cayman. One of the cleanest M3s I've seen in a long time is right there. Absolutely gorgeous M3. They do everything from alignments to tire mounting here as well, and can also do installs. Only thing they don't have in-house is a dyno, which that may change soon. For those in attendance, they have nice coffees. Hello, they're waiting. Very friendly bunch here. I love these guys. There he is right there, taking care of us all day with some very nice refreshments and I guess breakfast consumption items from croissants to scones to bagels, you name it. So I love these guys for being great hospitality individuals towards us. So guys, that was the, how should I say, the penny tour of what we have here. That's Karen, who I wouldn't be here without her. She's great. There you go. And yeah, some patrons. So anyway, pay attention to my feed. They will have an open house very soon. That's more public based. In the meantime, thank you so much for joining me on this live, and have a pleasant one. Cheers. Bye bye.